Hello and welcome to SmartPrep. Today we will be doing an NBT AQL past paper. We will now move over to part B, textual evidence reasoning. This is where you have a text that's derived from either an article or a book, and we have to look for answers which support or prove what the text given to us is saying. So as I did in part A, I will go through the list of questions and answers, and then we will answer accordingly. Right. Choose the best possible answer for the list of options. Question 6. In this interview, we heard Peters informing journalists that he will no longer make statements about which choice he will eventually make. Adding that, and I quote, "All will be crystal clear," close quote, "when the time is ripe." Given his previous record of obscure reasons for his actions, it remains to be seen whether that will be so. We will now go through the list of options or answers that have been given to us from A to D. The implication of this, and especially of the phrases in quotation marks. So we will focus on the implication of the text that was given to us and what was said in quotation marks from Peter's statement. A. Author most probably doubts the validity of Peter's claim. B. Time was indeed not yet right for Peters to clarify matters. C. Author is careful to quote and so do justice to Peter's words. D. Person quoted would definitely eventually clarify everything. What do you think the answer would be here? Correct. The answer is A. Author most probably doubts the validity of Peter's claim. Question 7. Given the current risks, all countries with potential for growing the number of tourists arriving on their doorstep will do well to consider security as a first strategy of luring more travelers and promoting the exotic offerings of splendid location as a second, but much more distant one. Let's see our answers or the options that we have for our answers from A to D. A, no current strategy for a booming tourist trade is better than offering security. B, it is still a viable strategy to encourage and promote the scenic beauty on offer. C, countries should not try other strategies for increasing the number of tourists. D, doing something to increase numbers of tourists is better than doing nothing. What do you think our answer for question 7 is? Correct. Our answer is A. No current strategy for a booming tourist trade is better than offering security. Question 8. One clear implication of the statement in the previous question, open bracket, open quote, given the current ... distant one, close quote, close bracket, is that A, there may be better strategies for some countries already offering security. B, not all countries actually have the potential of growing their tourist numbers. C, All countries are likely to have problems with growing the number of tourists. D. All strategies for dealing with enlarging the tourism market will be ineffective. What do you think our answer here would be? Correct. Our answer is B. Not all countries actually have the potential of growing their tourist numbers. Question 9. No. No risks, too great. No risks, too great. The first sentence means that A, there aren't any risks. The second, that the speaker is prepared to risk everything. B, it can't be done because of the risk. The second, that the speaker does not intend to risk it. C, it can't be done because the risks are too high. The second, that everything can be risked. D, one should take heed of the risks. B, but proceed. The second, that no risks should be taken. What do you think our answer would be here? Correct. Our answer is C. It can't be done because the risks are too high. The second, that everything can be risked. Question 10. The saying that one man's meat is another man's poison means that A, there is a disagreement about what is edible for all people. B, no one can say in advance what will appeal to everyone. C, everything is eventually likely to turn out for the better. D, there are differences in what people like and do not like. What do you think our answer would be? Correct. D, there are differences in what people like and do not like. Well, that's our part B. Thank you.
Right, thank you, Machepo. Now, if you guys would like more NBT AQL preparation videos, click on this playlist right here. And if you would like help with NBT maths preparation, this playlist right here. And if we helped you, please like, subscribe over here. Thanks very much, and see you on the next one.